In today's video, we will see how to generate a new IdP certificate using the Okta Apps collection in Postman. To complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. It is recommended to use a test environment when performing these steps. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click on the Run in Postman button next to the Apps collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace to import the collection to. Choose a workspace and click on the Import button. After the import, the Apps API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article in the description. Run a Get App API call to get the app information. Prepare the Get App API call by copy-pasting the app ID from the Okta admin console. You need to save the app information, as it will be required later. Open the Generate Certificate API call under the certificate operations of the apps collection. Enter app ID and the validity years as a number of years, for example 5, to set years of validity and click on Send to run the call. Take note of the KID ID in the response field. It will be required later. Open the Update Application Certificate API call and enter the app ID. Click on the Body tab and fill out the information needed: name, label, sign-on mode, and the KID. Then click on Send. The response received will be a 200 OK. In the Okta admin console, refresh the browser window and validate that the certificate validity changed to 5 years. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.